या शुभ्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहा हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्
Okay. Lap, please. Very nice. Okay. Yeah.
Happy Children's Day!
Happy Children's Day! Happy Children's Day! Yes, I want that from that corner also. Happy Children's Day! Happy Children's Day! See, today you might be surprised. Okay, first of all, I want to wish you a very, very happy Children's Day. I'm very thankful to your parents for sending you all to St. Xavier Public School, to the management, to the teachers, all the members of the staff, that we are able to celebrate your great day today. And as we keep the Children's Day today, see, there is with me one small boy. What is your name? Name once more? Okay, see, there is one boy here. Now you can see the difference between him and me. Whenever we see a child, we see very simple, you can see him smiling face, all the simplicity, all the goodness is found in a child. Very simple, see, very handsome boy, and he seems to be very hardworking. See, you can see him. So there is lot of potential in you all. So bringing him, though I'm speaking of him, but I'm speaking about you all. He is representing each one of you, each of the child. I can see his future, that he will do very well. Very good, very healthy boy. He will be very studious, very hardworking, very obedient to the parents, and more important, he is the future of our country. So he is the future. You all are the future of our country. 8 ages, we have got different ages here, from nursery to class 12, different ages. So now he is growing and you all are growing forward to become a better person so that you can contribute to the society to the development of our country. So you are the future of our country. Yes, you are the future of our country. In him, I can see that in his when he become big, he will be holding some post, big post, and you all. So I want all of you to see this. He has the potentiality to do that. You all have the potentiality to do that. So just like a child, we must learn also to be obedient to the parents, to the teachers. So he's very obedient. I just call him, come with me. He came. See, very simple. For what? He did not ask any question. So this kind of trust in the teachers is what is required for you. The teachers, they will guide you. The teachers, they will help you to grow in your life, to reach to your better goal. They will help you to achieve your goal. See, the child, they trust in the parents. Example, there may be a lion attacking them. Where will the child run? They will not climb the tree or they will not run away. But where will the child go? The child will go to the parents. See the trust they have in the parents. So the same trust, I request all of you, you should have the same trust in your teachers. The same trust that my teacher will do all things good for me and all whatever they teach is for the betterment of our life. And if we speak about the history who began, because of whom we are celebrating, that is of our great personality, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved the children so much because he found the child so simple, so loving. Main aim is not only to do very big things, to achieve many things in life, but to become just like a child. Even though we may be adult, we may become old, but the features or the childlike simplicity is accepted at all stages of life. So when we become bigger, we become little more and more complicated. But in life, what we are supposed to do is, today is the time to reflect that we must be like a child. Be simple, make things easy, not complicated. Make things easy for others as well as for oneself. So, I would once more a very, very happy Children's Day, and may you have a wonderful experience of your childhood life, children life, student life, and the life to come after. So once again, happy Children's Day.
जूता कस के बेल्ट हाउस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया में नारा चले रहो चले रहो सोते भी है टेंशन आगे रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है
अरे क्या हुआ इतनी टेंशन में क्यों है?
एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं यार।
हाँ तो
इस बार भी टॉप करना है। 98% तो लाने ही है, फिर ये शहर के टॉप के कॉलेज में एडमिशन भी हो जाएगा और आगे से पूरी प्लानिंग सेट है।
अरे डोंट वरी, एग्जाम्स भी अच्छे जाएंगे और हम टॉप भी कर लेंगे। थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जाओ। एग्जाम्स के डिप्रेशन में कोई लाइफ जीना भूल जाता है क्या? मेहनत दिल लगा के की है ना, तो उसका नतीजा भी अच्छा ही होगा। बस दिल पे हाथ रखो और बोलो ऑल इज वेल, ऑल इज वेल।
लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, ऑटो को करके गोल, ऑटो को करके गोल, सीटी पहुंचा के बोल। लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, ऑटो को करके गोल, ऑटो को करके गोल, सीटी पहुंचा के बोल। मुर्गी राजा है, अंडे का क्या होगा, लाइफ में किया तबे तो सही होगा, कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा। कोट घुमाओ, सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया
Let us say happy, happy, happy. Awesome. You know, the best time of our life is being a child. I wish sometime to go back to childhood. Being innocent, being happy, being here, being free of all the problems. And this is the wonderful, the most peaceful, the most happiest time of their life. And I wish you all that, all the time. Do you know, every day is the Children's Day in the school. I think you will not know. But it is in a way, but in a responsible way. Our teachers every day is preparing for you for the classes. So every day, in a way, is a Children's Day. And when we look at you children, we have lots of things to learn from you, from small kids. Because when two kids play, there's a quarrel between them. They may cry, they may fight, but then later on, again they become friends. They forget everything. That kind of friendship I love among them. And that kind of good, innocent care for each other I love among children. In this Children's Day, let us be joyful, let us enjoy our childhood in a way that a child can. And also take the responsibility of a child that has to be. You are precious for us. Each and every one of you is precious for us. Every child is precious for the school, for the parents, for the teacher. That's why when there's a mistake done by you or there's an error from your side, we forgive you. We support you to the maximum we can. Because you are precious. You are the most important thing in our life, in your parents' life, and also in the teacher's life. Because your growth, your happiness is our growth and our happiness. So I want you to also remember this all arrangement is done by the teachers. They have very less time to prepare. Very less time. In fact, they were even taking classes, tuitions on the previous night on Children's Day. The other teachers who were not having those duties, they were arranging this for you. The teachers had a very busy schedule. Still, they know, they understand how much you love Children's Day. Whatever it is required. So let us give a big round of applause for our teachers. Big round of applause for our teachers. You are our stars. You are our precious little children and stars. We will always do whatever is required. We will always do anything is required. Every teacher, I thank the parent for supporting us and for getting the children in this school. I thank all the bhaias and didis for ensuring that you are here to support. I thank microphone people here. I thank the host for hosting today's program.
I'm glad that even though a small program, a good program is being conducted. Wish you all a happy day. Wish you all lots of good memories that will be always with you. I want you to be childlike. I want you to be happy.
You can be the world, you can go to God, the man on his throne. You can throw your hands, you can be the clock, you can move the mountains, you can break rocks, you can be a master, don't wait for life, dedicate yourself and wait for the soul. Stand in the of the world's going on.
So that's why it's very crucial, dear children, to never let the child within us fade away. Keeping that inner child alive helps us truly live and enjoy life. Right? It's a general belief that life is very complicated. I say no. Life is not at all complicated. It's just that we sometimes choose to act in a certain ways, intentionally or unintentionally, which causes situation to spiral out of control, making life seems complex. A simple knot, if not taken care, can eventually make the entire string so entangled that it becomes almost impossible to untangle, not to mention about the time, effort and patience it takes. It's often said that life is not a bed of roses. I beg to differ. I say life is very much like a bed of roses. A rose bush has thorns, numerous thorns. If we want to pluck a rose, we first need to be mindful of the thorns, which are always ready to pierce our skin and make us bleed. If you dare, it's likely you will get hurt again and again. But eventually, you will learn to combat, and finally, you will get your flower. To me, life is exactly like a bed of roses, where each rose represents an achievement. It will make you bleed, wound you with 1,000 cuts, test your patience, and push you to your limits. But in the end, if you are persistent enough, it will not only award you with your achievements, but will also teach you with the value of those achievements. But yes, I do believe that life is short. That's why, my dear children, it's very important to live every moment. Remember, life is all about this very instant. As brilliantly quoted by Master Oogway in the movie Kung Fu Panda, yesterday is a history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift, and that is why it is called present. So smile and make everyone feel happy and safe in your presence. My dear children, don't forget that charity begins at home. It's true that we cannot help change the entire country all at once, no matter how hard we try, but we can definitely improve ourselves. Remember, we are a part of our nation. Improving ourselves contributes positively to the betterment of our country and the world at large. If each individual in our country vows to work on self-improvement and emerge as a true human being, I swear, no one can even dare to stop India from being a heaven on earth. I don't believe in good or evil. All I believe in are choices. It's your choices that make you either a god or a demon. So, dear children, choose wisely. It's your choices that will either build your life or burn it down to ashes. Don't be afraid if you fall. Rather, have the courage to rise every time you do. Like Professor Dumbledore's Phoenix Bird in the movie Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, which dies and reborns from the ashes. Remember, you don't lose a game unless you give up trying. In any situation, never consider yourself as victims. Consider yourself as fighters. Don't worry about the consequences. Winning or losing the game is not in your hand. Your job is to fight. So fight. Fight with all the potential you have got until you win. Even if you lose 1,000 times, don't lose your patience. Let's rock it. फिर से मिलने की जहाँ पे दे गए थे तुम कसम, देख लो आकर वहीं पे, आज भी बैठे हुए हैं, तुम्हारे थे तुम्हारे हैं, तुम्हारे ही रहेंगे हम, तुम्हारे थे तुम्हारे हैं, तुम्हारे ही रहेंगे हम। मुद्दतें भी चंद लम्हों जैसे लगती है सनम, बातें ही ऐसी तुम्हारे इश्क में कुछ है तुम्हारे थे तुम्हारे हैं, तुम्हारे ही रहेंगे हम, तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे हैं, तुम्हारे ही रहेंगे हम। हो वादा था कभी का अब जाके आए, फिर भी गनीमत लाए तो हैं, वादा था कभी का अब जाके आए, फिर भी गनीमत लाए तो हैं। आइए आइए शौक से आइए आइए आके सवार ना जाइए, आइए आइए शौक से आइए आइए आके सवार ना जाइए।
बेटा जा इश्क दा जाम दिखा जा रात है आजा सा साथी भाजा सा साथी भाजा चल
इसको में जब गाना बजेगा ऑन द फ्लोर आना पड़ेगा, लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा, स्वेट करके दिखाना पड़ेगा। इसको में जब गाना बजेगा ऑन द फ्लोर आना पड़ेगा, लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा, स्वेट करके दिखाना पड़ेगा।